Sean Castro has released a statement following the controversial video involving 3 of BINI's members, as well as a member of GAT. Here's the official statement. Hello everyone! First of all, we would like to apologize for the video circulating around. We apologize to everyone who got offended, triggered, or hurt in the actions seen in the said video. We can assure you that no minor or anyone was hurt physically, mentally, sexually, or in any manner. That short video was taken out of context. We do not promote those actions in any matter. Inaamin po namin na mali kami in so many ways with that joke. Masyado po kaming naging komportable at masaya sa mga ginagawa, sinasabi namin. Hindi po magandang biro yon, especially sa kung paano siya nakita sa nasabing video. Maraming salamat sa pagsabi ng aming mga pagkakamali at aware na po kami sa lahat ng ito. Natuto na po kami sa mga ito at hindi na po ito mauulit. Alam din po namin na hindi ito maliit na issue kaya we take accountability and responsibility for everything that was done. Muli, salamat po at sorry again for everything. So what is your opinion regarding the issue? Comment down below.